Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to take your home dining experience to the next level? I was, so that's why I purchased this beautiful set of white dinnerware from MALACASA. So this is the IVORY set. It is a glossy white porcelain in an unusual leaf shape. I am blown away by how beautiful these plates are. That leaf pattern carries all the way through the whole set, from the saucer, and even the shape of the handle mimics that kind of curve of the leaf plate. These plates are beautifully made and they are so durable. So whether you want to do a formal dinner in your home or just use these as your everyday everything plates like I do, you will not be disappointed. These plates make every occasion and every meal special. Because they have a low profile, that means they're easy to stack, taking up less room in my cabinet. And also when I place them in the dishwasher, they fit very easily and well, so I'm able to place quite a few of them in the dishwasher, and they have turned out beautifully. I'm so pleased by these heirloom quality plates. They are exactly what I was hoping for. The unusual shape makes them a conversation starter at every family dinner. So if you're looking for a truly unique and beautiful dinnerware set, I highly recommend this set from MALACASA. I'm so pleased with how unusual they are and how beautifully made. And I reach for them over and over again, whether I'm simply having a cup of coffee or doing a fancy dinner at my home. I have not been disappointed by these plates. And that is my point of view.